Experiencing lag spikes in Roblox can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your current internet speed. Step 2. Lower graphics settings. In Roblox, go to the settings menu and adjust the graphics quality. Lowering the graphics settings can help reduce the strain on your device, leading to smoother gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve performance while playing. Step 4. Update your device. Make sure your device's operating system and drivers are up to date. Updates can improve performance and compatibility with games, including Roblox. Step 5. Use a performance mode. If your device has a performance mode or gaming mode, enable it. This setting optimizes system resources for gaming, which can help reduce lag spikes while playing Roblox. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.